Initialize the values of base and height. Calculate the area of the triangle using the formula 0.5 base asterisk height. Print the value of area. End. Procedure. Open the IDE of your choice. Create a new Java project. Create a new Java class. Write the below code into your class. Run the program. Sudo code. Start. Set base equals 5. Set height equals 10. Set area equals 0.5 base asterisk height. Print area. End. Java code. Public class main. Public static void main, string, args. Double base equals 5. Double height equals 10. Double area equals 0.5 base asterisk height. System.out. Print ln, the area of the triangle is plus area. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. The area of the triangle is 25.0.